so relieved.
What is relief? Teka. Ako din po, kuya.
Ano ka?
Relief.
Ano yun?
But you understand? I understand. Okay. Relief is... I think it's release because... Release your breath. No! Kanina, very... Bumabama, di ba? And then... Now. No? Now, me too, di ba? It's in Tagalog. There, and you so nervous. Yes, nervous and so shaking. Shaking. Your heart, and then you take a breath because the problem, for example, if your problem is 5, yes, and then you got -2. You understand? No. That your problem is minusing. Nose? You nervous. Earlier, you nervous and you shaking. Yeah. And then the shaking is... Hindi saya. Please tell me. Teach me. No. Nakaginhawa o gamay. Nakagig. May. Okay. Nakagig hawa. I will translate in Tagalog. Okay. Nakahinga ka ng maluwag. Oh, nakahinga ako ng maluwag. Maluwag.
So what is relief?
Nakahinga ng maluwag-luwag, kuya.
Phobia?
Nakahinga maguwag. Kuya. You again. Nakahinga ng maluwag.
Ano nangyari?
Naalala niyo yung dito kami kuya atong yung ano.
Ba't kayo natatawan dalawa?
I remember yesterday. We are explaining about yesterday, but he's so laughing. I remember about it, so I'm laughing now.
Oh, yam.
Yeah.
Baka pag pinigil mo yung tawa mo, may lumabas dyan.
I don't know why I'm laughing.
If kuya said that I am strongly
What? What? Why?
if I'm holding my
Yeah.
my laughing, maybe I'm changing of wind of change. Look there.
What do you mean? I can't understand.
Ano yung sinabi mo? Wind of change?
Ano kuya ba? Sasabog kuya.
What is wind of change?
Bad air.
Gas. No gas.
Carbon dioxide. From the air ba?
Okay.
If I hold my laugh,
Yeah. Yeah. If don't. Even. Father.
How is it played?
Using hands and then like singing, but the lyrics is difficult for me.
What did you learn? Lee what?
Lyrics.
Again?
Lyrics.
Say that 8 times.
Lyrics.
sa picture.
No.
R I L Y C K S. Come on. No.
Naku, lumala pa. Sige, one more time. Let's go, Fumiya.
L
Y.
Y
R.
R
R.
I
C.
C
S.
S.
Yeah. No. Ki.
Wow.
Yan.
Kuya.
Hindi yata key.
R.
It is not key. It's pronounced as K.
Key.
Sorry po.
Key.
K.
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 Together.
L Y R I C S.
Correct.
He's
Because you fart. Okay.
Aura. What happened? What happened? He's asking. Asking. It's asking. Kasi. Asking.
Maybe he is toilet.
At toilet? Hmm?
Asking.
Asking, di ba? Di ba?
Asking. But how
Oh.
we answer it? Him.
What is us? He's us.
What's the problem of us?
Ah, walang problema.
How we answer it?
Ah. Ikaw.
It
It means
he agree.
he agree. So,
Fumiya and ahem.
Seriously,
mm,
very seriously.
very serious.
Who is more funny?
So difficult.
You.
No,
No.
you.
No. No. No.
No.
No. No. You.
Ikaw.
Hindi, no. Ikaw. You.
Bakit?
Because you always laughing.
I'm laughing because you are funny. Diba? Yeah. So you are funny. Kuya,
What?
he is funny than me.
Why?
Because I'm always laughing about his face. No.
Bakit kayo natutuwa sa isa't isa?
Parang alam ko na lahat kung saan yung kiliti niya, kuya. Tapos alam din niya na kung anong lahat ng kiliti ko. Parang naintindihan niya ako, naintindihan ko rin siya.
Because we're brother. You.
It's called spiritual brother.
It's spiritual brother.
So it's only one.
Brother.
Is brothers.
Brothers. Because so I don't know. I honestly I don't know. But very friendly. Yeah, Andre and Rakim is also friendly. But I don't know. We're very close. I understand. Yum. He's very friendly. He's like my brother. Older brother. Kuya.
Ikaw, Yam Yam.
Kuya,
Ano bang turing mo kay Fumiya?
best friend ko isang mabuting kaibigan at tinuturing ko na din siyang my youngest brother. Yung pagkakaibigan namin medyo parang nagiging strong. Getting to know each other more.
Together, not two. Together sleeping.
Together sleeping.
Yeah.
Together eating.
Yeah.
Together no washing.
Fumi.
Umiyam.
What is that?
Fumi. Yeah.
Why do you say that?
Because we are
Brothers.
we are
Spiritual brothers.
Magkamukha ba kayo?
we are face looks like
Konti.
how
We have eyes, nose, mouth. Yeah. So
that's why
same.
but Andre have face nose
We are Pogi.
yeah
We are
spiritual brothers and we are pogi yeah
Yeah.
PSB?
Yan.
yun
Ano ibig sabihin ng PSB?
pogi spiritual brothers
Pogi.
Yan.
Puro mo Yam Yam sa kanya tungkol sa Philippine folklore.
manananggal ko yan the hair is like you I told you
Yeah.
and then the two wings
Do you understand that, Fumiya?
Yes, po.
How does she look?
She has separate leg and body.
yeah
It's separate, and then she's flying. And then she is looking for pregnant.
Show me.
And then
It's painful.
yeah, konti. Alive ko. Yeah, like that. Face became monster.
Monster.
Yeah. And then monster now. And then back to now. Like that. How about leg inside house? Wait. Like that. Look. Oh. And then tummy is eating. You're dead. Die.
Nagawa ng vlog tungkol sa Philippine folklore.
oh
Sa tulong ni Yam Yam. How do you feel about that?
I'm so excited. He's very good actor. He will become a very good monster. Yeah. Me.
Fumiya at Yam Yam,
Po.
anong ginagawa niyo sa mga ulo niyo?
nag-aayos po
Bakit hindi niyo ayusan ng isa't isa?
fix my hair
This?
mm.
What?
fix my hair make pogi mas kuya
Oh. Ah!
Oh.
Green, green. You're green. You're green.
It's clean.
Talaga? Konti lang. Sour. Sour.
What sour? Konting
Masim. Masim.
Ah, but it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. Yum, yum. Wow.
Whoa, beautiful. So now, I demonstrate so that you understand clearly.
Okay.
Diba? You are the girl, and then I'm the boy. Hi.
Hi.
My name is Yum Yum. You?
Mia.
Mia. Oh, so beautiful name.
Salamat.
Can I have a seat?
Oh, it's okay.
Mia,
Hmm?
can I go to your house?
Okay.
I want to meet your family.
A little bit scary.
Why?
Because bucket.
Because I want to ligaw to you. When I visit your house, like this, and then you sing a love song outside your
Outside the
house.
house?
Oh, outside.
Ah?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah. Mia, my love, so sweet. Oh, my heart. And then,
And then,
what do you do?
put food. Through the food. Thank you so much.
Mia,
Yes po.
why did you give food to